Follow by the last week, let's do a couple of the examples that I guess you need to know about the technique of integration. So let's take a look at this example. If we want to find y, the way that we do is that move dx to the right side of the differential equation, then you would get x to the power 4 minus x to the power 3 plus 2x plus 2 divided by x to the power 3 minus 9x. The whole thing times dx, right? And then you do the integral. You would get something like this. In order to do the integral form of this, you can do the partial fraction because you know that x to the power 3 minus 9x combining with 3 form of the binomial, right? Which is x times x squared minus y. X squared minus y is equal to x minus 3 times x plus 3. But before we do the partial fraction, like I said, we got to look at the power of x for the numerator and denominator. If the one on the top is greater than the one on the bottom, you got to do dividing until the number on the top is less than the number at the bottom. So in this case, you got to do dividing first. Okay, so you got to do dividing. So what times x to the power 3 equal to x to the power 4? X, right? You get x up there. And then we do the multiply. We got x to the power 4 minus 9, x to the power 2. Right? But up here, we don't have x to the power 2. Actually, it's like we have plus 0x to the power 2. Right? Now for the x to the power 3, we take it down right away. And minus 9x to the power 2 is equal to plus 9x to the power 2. Right? Because we do minus in there. Now, now if you take a look at the power of x at the bottom and at the top, they are equal. You still need to do dividing until this x has the power number smaller than this x. Okay. What time x to the power 3 gets minus x to the power 3? Minus 1. So you would get minus x to the power 3 plus what? 9x. Then I put 2x down here. Okay. So you would get, if you do minus, you got 9x squared minus 7x plus 2. So now do you need to do further of dividing? No, you don't need to, because now this x is power 2 and this x is power 3. So now we can do the partial fraction. So from this we would get y is equal to integral of x minus 1 plus 9x squared minus 7x plus 2 dividing by x to the power 3 minus 9x, and the whole thing times dx. And then we do the distribution property of integral. We need to plus b there. So we would get integral x dx minus integral dx plus integral of 9x squared minus 7x plus 2 divided by x to the power 3 minus 9x dx. So first two terms you can do integral right away, right? But the third term, you just can't do the integral right away because it's still in the form that you can't integral. But like I said, at the bottom you can separate it into three terms. Then in that case, you can do the partial fraction. So I would say that our y is equal to, what is the integral x dx? X squared divided by 2. What is the integral dx? X. The down here term, you would get x times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Right? And then this one, you can do the partial fraction. You can make it into three terms, like this. A1 divided by x plus A2 divided by x minus 3 plus A3 divided by x plus 3. So if you can find A1, A2, A3, then you would be able to integral. A1, A2, A3 always be a constant, right? So if you know the number, then you can do integral right away. Now, the way to find A1, A2, A3, I already give you the formula last time, right? Do you remember? A1 is equal to limits of, what is the root of x here, of A1? 0. So x is equal to 0 of the function x times 9x squared minus 7x plus 2 divided by x times x minus 3 times x plus 3. X and x, you cancel them out, right? Because they're just the same. And then, like, you just put x equal to 0 into the leftover term. Up there, you would get what? If you put x equal to 0 there, what would you get? On the top, you get 2, right? And on the bottom, you get what? Minus 3 times 3, which is equal to minus 9. So you would get minus 2 over 9 for A1. And for A2, using the same formula, x is goes to what? It's the root of x for A2. 3, right? So we would say like limits of x go to 3 of the function x minus 3 times 9x squared minus 7x plus 2 divided by x times x minus 3 times x plus 3. These two terms cancel out, and then you plug x equal to 3 in there. So up here we would get 9 times 3 squared minus 7 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3 times 3 plus 3, which is equal to what? 9 squared is equal to 9, 9, 9, 81, right? 81 minus 21 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 6. So what would you get up there? This one is what? 62, right? 62. 31 divided by 9. And then for A3, you would get limit x go to what for A3? Minus 3 of x plus 3 sine 9x squared minus 7x plus 2 divided by x sine x minus 3 times x plus 3. X plus 3 cancelled out, and then you just plug the number of x equal to minus 3 in there. You would get 9 times minus 3 squared minus 7 times minus 3 plus 2 divided by minus 3 times minus 3 minus 3. So you would get exactly the same, which is 81, but this one minus minus turn to plus. 21 plus 2 minus 3 times minus 6, which is equal to what? 104, right? Up here you would get 104, right? Right? 104 divided by 3, because minus minus equal to plus. So you would get 52 divided by 9. That is A3. And then you just plug the number A1, A2, A3 back in here. You would get x squared divided by 2 minus x plus integral of minus 2 over 9x. A2 is plus 31 divided by 9 times x minus 3. A3 is equal to plus 52 divided by 9 times x plus 3 dx plus d. Now can you do the integral of these three terms? You use the property, integral property, which is the distribution, and also the constant can be taken out from the integral sign. Then you would get x squared divided by 2 minus x minus 2 over 9 integral 1 over x dx plus 31 divided by 9 integral 1 over x minus 3 dx plus 52 divided by 9 integral 1 over x plus 3 dx and the whole thing plus this, which is equal to x squared divided by 2 minus x. Integral 1 over x dx is equal to ln x, right? Integral 1 over x minus 3 dx is equal to ln x minus 3. And again, the last term, you would get ln of x plus 3.